Go to question number 8. How to find the tangent of an angle using unit circle. Okay, unit circle is kind of my favorite thing because we can find sine, cosine, and tangent, and we can find all the trigonometric ratios of any angle using a unit circle. So let us find how to find the tangent of an angle using unit circle. So in this example, the tangent of 30 degree is calculated. So I'll just use this circle only. The values from this circle is not visible properly. I have a unit circle open in this tab. Yeah, so in this tab these values are clearly visible. So let us just first go and see the. So the tangent is defined as y by x. It is the ratio of vertical line and the horizontal line formed by a certain angle to a point in the unit circle. For example, we take the tangent of 30 degree. The x coordinate and y coordinate for 30 degrees seen from the unit circle are given as 1 by 2 comma root 3 by 2. Basically x coordinates it is root 3 by 2 and y coordinate is 1 by 2. Here it is written wrong respectively. Then we write y by x, then we get the tangents. Okay. So I will use this unit circle. I'll try to make my own circle here. Oh. First I'll write how to find tangent using unit circle. So I'll just draw a circle here. Looks pretty good. Okay, I'll draw the axis also. Let's try with this one. Nope. Okay, just use a simple one. It is very difficult to operate with a circle. I hope this is the center. No, this is also not the center. Let's just take it as the center. I will move this bit. Yeah, now it looks better. So for 30 degree we have the coordinates as root 3 by 2 and 1 by 2. So these are root 3 by 2 comma 1 by 2. And now the basic idea or the basic idea behind this unit circle and how do we find the angle or the tangent or the trigonometric ratios is that basically we draw a radius from to this point to the point so that it is making 30 degree from the positive x-axis. So basically this angle is 30 degree. Now we draw a perpendicular on from this point on the x-axis. So let us say this point is P, this as O and this as R. Now we have created a right angle triangle and trigonometric ratios are defined for right angle triangle. So formula or the tangent or the ratio of or tangent of any angle is given basically by tangent of say theta is basically perpendicular over base. So in this case, perpendicular is my this distance, the length PR. So perpendicular is PR. So perpendicular is basically the line which is like how can I say the opposite. Perpendicular is basically the line which is opposite to the angle. So angle here in this case we have theta equals to 30 degree, and then we have what is happening with this Microsoft OneNote. I will just write theta as 30 degree, and my base is, so base is the line or the length or the line which actually has the angle. So you can think it like this, that the angle, this line is base, this line is the hypotenuse, and this is my perpendicular line or the opposite line from the angle. So base is going to be my OR. Now tangent of 30 degree is, it is not actually x by y. For a unit circle we can write it as x by y, but it is basically the distance from so the distance of PR or the length of PR, and the length of P, I made a mistake again, it should be P. So the distance of PR is not, cannot be given by just by y always, because sometimes the center cannot lie at 0 comma 0. The center can be at say 4 comma 2 or 4 comma 5. In that case, this line is not going to be the x. This line is not going to be my x equals to or y equals to 0. This can be y equals to say 3 or 2 or whatever. So the actual formula or the actual method of calculating the distance or this length or the perpendicular length is basically, it is written it as y2 minus y1, and same for x also we write it as x2 minus x1. But yeah, in this case, in the case of unit circle at 0 comma 0, at center at 0 comma 0, we have y1 and x1 as 0. So in this case we can write it as y2 by x. So let us go back to the question. So we have tangent of 30 degree, y2 minus y1. So y is 1 by 2, y2 is 1 by 2 and y1 is 0. So I will write 1 by 2 over, we have x2 minus x1. So x2 minus x1, basically we have the coordinate of x is root 3 by 2, and we do not, x1 is 0, so we'll just write root 3 by 2. If you are confused what is y1 y2, then I can just tell that this coordinate is x1, this is x1, this is x2, and this coordinate is my y1. Again, this coordinate is my y1 and this coordinate is my y2. So line along this is y2. Sorry for that. Yeah, so I can just cut this term and we'll get tangent of 30 degree as 1 by root 3. Let us see, tangent of 30 degree is 1 by root 3. Simplifying the radical, okay, yeah, we can also just simplify the radical by multiplying by root 3 and root 3. So we'll get root 3 by 3. It is just a simplified form, but we usually write it in 1 by root 3. So again, here my solution is correct. Correct solution. Great job. So in this way, you can find the tangent or trigonometric ratios of any angle using the unit circle method or the unit circle technique. Solution is correct. Now we will go to our ninth question. Question number 9.